Welcome to the Text SMS with Sales Hub demonstration for Power Textor integrations. First, we're going to create a new lead. I'm going to hover over to the plus new button on the top. I'm going to create a new lead. Here in the form, I can define key details. I can define the company I'm targeting right now, such as UTG Limited. I can give a name such as Denny Bernard. I can give a job title such as software engineer. I can provide a business phone number and a mobile number. And I'm going to keep these both the same for this demonstration. Other things are optional details that can also be filled out. I'm going to first of all save this lead. And I can now hover over to the SMS tab. In SMS, I'm going to first wait for all the API fulfillments to be completed in the back. Then I'm able to have a conversation with this lead. So I'm going to hover over to the SMS chat button. And I'm going to wait for the API fulfillments. As you can see, over here I can see Lenny and I can see their respective number. I can write a short message. As per our client, here is the proposal, and I can just attach a file with this message. So I'm going to attach this image. I'm going to press send. This is going to take a little bit of time, but it's going to send my message and my attached file. So it's currently loading. We will just wait a bit. As you can see, our message has been sent and our attachment is labeled over here. Perfect. Now I'm going to qualify this lead. We are confirmed that the message has been sent because of this icon that is showing our Power Textor logo. I'm going to press qualify back in. I just press qualify over here. I'm going to press qualify. And this is going to actually qualify my lead. I'm going to automatically be redirected to this opportunities where I can see my messages in the timeline in the middle. Here I can see my already pre-populated details from the other leads table. Here I can see the different messages. Here's the text message I sent, and these are the automated text messages that have been produced. I can visit one of these to check if these messages have been sent accordingly. As you can see, this message has been sent and the opportunity of topic UTG Limited has been created. Perfect. We can go back. And once I'm confident that all the details and all of the requirements have been met, I can actually close this opportunity as won or close this opportunity as lost. Here I'm going to close this opportunity as won. Now another message will be generated for this. First I'm going to complete this pop-up message. I'm going to say OK. And then an additional message will be generated over here. I'm just going to refresh this subgrid. And after a little bit of time, it's going to be updated and we can actually see the result of this closed opportunity. So I'm just going to hit a hard refresh so that all the details are reflected appropriately. So we're going to wait just a little bit for this to reload. And due to some internet and latency issues, I'm just here. And as we can see over here, our timeline should be updated. The opportunity has been won. And now we have a total of 4 messages that have been generated for and integrated with the Power Textor platform. And we can visit this over here. and see if the message has been created accordingly. Perfect. The opportunity of topic in UTG limited has been marked as perfect. All of our messages had been generated appropriately. That's it for this demonstration. Thank you so much.